up guys? Today we will be making a video about my birds. The first one, that's a budgie, it's called a bulbul. The second one, that's canary. That's canary, it's called lemon, right? Wait, let me just put this back into the thing. So this is my rainbow lorikeet. His name is Lulu. Very cute bird, very. If I take him out, hey. So he's a bit scared of the camera. It's just like on me. Yeah. But this is his favorite plant. Like it's from a tree. We have a lot of these trees at Brighton. So like this is from the tree, right? He likes eating them. Yesterday he beat me because I got him these and like he wanted them so bad, so he beat me there. See, he just like, if I get him another one, look, yeah, he'll just hold it with his leg. Can you see that? And what if I bring it here? I'm just gonna close his cage. Look, he just holds it with his leg. I love this bird. This is my most favorite bird. The budgie used to, because that was the only bird I used to have. The budgie is so cute because it's small and lightweight. See, small and lightweight. You know, like I love those birds. Here's my garden. Yeah. Okay. See, look, we made him his own mirror. Like, see, we made it with rubber bands, and he had this on in his cage ages ago. We just got this bird the other, like 2 months, 3 months ago. Yeah, this used to be for our old bird. Yeah. Look, let's see if he gets on. No, doesn't want to. So that was this video today. If you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and peace, like always. Yeah. So peace out guys. I will see you in the next video. I was gonna record myself making cake because I actually made the cake well. So like, but I didn't. So yeah. So I'm gonna wrap up this video guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. And peace out, bro. Just go back to the room. Peace out, bro. Okay, peace out.